Guys, we did it! Woo! We are officially on the road. Well, kind of. We're at a quick trip filling up on diesel fuel. But we spent a couple of days in Wausau with Josh's parents, getting last minute things ready, and we had a couple of setbacks because we were trying to get our glow plugs replaced.
Yeah, 4 of them blew, and the controller for them also dead. We brought it to the repair shop and they were like, no problem, we'll get it done. Next day, they break off one of them in the engine. We're not going to be anywhere super cold for quite a while.
Crossing fingers. Now that we're officially all packed up and ready to go, it feels exciting and free and liberating.
Yeah, it's amazing. I don't know. It's always, these things are always bittersweet. We're leaving home. We're leaving the parents. We've been hanging out with them for like 24/7 for the past month and a half, and it's been awesome. Yeah, it was just kind of a sad moment saying goodbye to leave to the unknown.
I had a really hard time leaving the cabin. We had to say our goodbyes, and Josh was like, let's go. And I was like, no, I need to tell the cabin thank you. Just such good memories happened there. We went to the lake on Tuesday just to sit and enjoy the water, enjoy the sun before lunch. And I asked Josh what his favorite part of these last 5 months were. And I think you said that it was the van build, probably.
Yeah, it was the van build. It was just such a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I'll always look back at that time as like this everyday struggle of waking up early, solving a problem, getting stuck, having to unbuild something, having to rebuild something, and just over and over and over again until finally end up with this.
Yeah.
And this seemed impossible a month ago.
My favorite thing was probably a little bit more metaphorical. I loved the van build. I loved building the tiki bar. I loved having family nearby so that we could see them. I also just loved the transformation that happened within us. And as cheesy as that sounds, we came here in March sad and cold and with nothing. And we're leaving with just so much more hope and so much more excitement, and a little bit of excitement about reclaiming some of the year back. I know there's a lot of bad things still happening in this world, in this country, and a lot of things that need to be rebuilt, but this feels hopeful, and this feels like there's a spark in me now, a spark in us to do good and to still find joy in this place that we're at. But before we go, after we fill up on our diesel, we of course have to stop by
Nasonville. Get ourselves the best cheese curds in Wisconsin.
#1 cheese curd factory rated by Lisa and Josh.
The greatest cheese curd in all of Wisconsin. The #1 spot goes to Nasonville. Congratulations, Nasonville Dairy, for having the best cheese curd in all of Wisconsin. This is no small feat. This is a big deal.
If you don't know, check out that video.
Now you know.
What you got in that bag?
Oh, cheese curds.
Bringing you back to our tasting days.
So squeaky, so good.
I had to get the ice cream, of course.
You want cheese curd?
Oh. Thank you.
What's our co-pilot up to?
I'm just chilling. Hi. Rub your face on there.
So here we are at our first ever Harvest Host. You can see this adorable little winery right behind us. It's just awesome. People were super nice who checked in. Now we just gotta move our car a little further away from the guy right next to us. As you can see, we're right there. so we just gotta scooch the van a little bit, and yeah, this is looking awesome. Then we're gonna go in and grab a glass of wine and just, I don't know, have a nice night out here.
It is so pretty out here. Can't wait to have a glass of wine. We made it. This place is amazing. Everything is school themed.
big time Harvest Host success so far. Our first night, big win. So this is our first ever Harvest Host, this one right here. I'm blown away, honestly. We're out here at Forestville Vines. We've just had the best time here. We just went through a flight of wines that were all great. Prices weren't that much. And it's just me and Kitty, and Lisa's in there making some dinner, and just perfect end to a night. It's, yeah, I don't know if we just got extremely lucky with our first Harvest Host, or I don't know. But I'm really excited for what else we have coming up in the next couple days. This is exactly what we wanted. And I am so happy that it came out the way that we wanted it to. It's perfect.
So we are cooking at our first night at our Harvest Host, and it is super beautiful, but we started to notice a puddle of water coming out of our cabinet. Yeah, not a great start to the first night because I'm cooking and Josh is in the middle of trying to fix the leak. We got Kitty in the back there. He's just chilling. We got Kitty. He's somewhere. He's back there. He's back there. You see that ear? There he is. He loves the countertop. For these glow plugs to maybe be replaced. And my favorite thing, I think, was a little bit more metaphor. Ugh!